Hello there and welcome to Crewe Audi. Today I'm going to take you around this approved used Audi Q2 SE that we've just had arrive here on site. Firstly, the car has the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, front headlight washer jets. Got the 16-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels with the contrast C-pillar and the Audi ring styling there. Privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, LED backlights, and this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get a minimum of 1 year's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance from the manufacturer. Now moving to the front of the vehicle, inside we've got the electrically adjustable exterior mirrors, electric windows in the front and the rear, the matte brushed aluminium inlays, automatic headlights, the multifunctional leather steering wheel, cruise control, Audi's MMI display with DAB digital radio and navigation prep, climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, and the full cloth interior. So if you would like any more information on this Audi Q2, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 012 70 864 091. Thank you very much for watching.